Hello friends, today I will show you how to hack any car racing game from Lucky Patcher. You can see a game Crazy for Speed. Open it. You can see the game is loading. And you can see I have 360 rupees now. And here you can see I cannot buy this car, so I will show you how to hack it using Lucky Patcher. And after that I can buy anything. Now go to Lucky Patcher. And you can see here Crazy for Speed. Click on it and then go to open menu of patches. You can see create modified epic file. Click on it and then you have to click epic rebuild for in-app and Lvel emulation, and then rebuild this app. So guys, you can see that it's patched. Now you can see, go to the file, you click on it and you have to uninstall and install it. You can see uninstall and install. First you need to uninstall it and then install it. It will take time. So guys, you can see that the game is installed. So now you can play the game and it's hacked. You need to complete the tutorial and then you can play the game. You can see the game is loading. So it's 11%. So yeah, let me see on my garage. And now when I clicked on it, you need to go to auto repeat purchase with current settings. Click on it and then type yes. So you can buy this and you can buy anything. It is being unlimited. You can buy anything now. So you can see, and you can buy your boosters. You can see, and I got it. And you can buy any coins also. You can see. Here you can see I can successfully buy it. Thanks for watching my video and please subscribe my video.